and she'll tell you a bit more about what this is and what their work is about. And myself, Mariana, I work for Hatch Blue, and I manage the Women in Ocean Food Innovation Studio in Latin America, and I'll also tell you a bit more about that in a minute. So,
So go ahead.
oops, go ahead, Julie.
So this has been a process in the works. We actually started out as a networking society, Caribbean Aquaculture Network, where I wanted to be able to connect farmers because I believe within the island and throughout the islands, farmers, scientists, government are not very well connected with aquaculture. Also, aquaculture is not something that is well understood in our society. We don't have any aquaculture education classes throughout even within our tertiary. So if you want to go ahead and do a higher degree, you have to go overseas. And so this is a huge gap that needs to be filled within our Caribbean region. And so through the networking, we discovered that there are a lot of women like me because I live in Italy. There are a lot of Caribbean women that are outside of the Caribbean that are working, doing research, doing wonderful, amazing things, but are invisible. No one really knew who we were, what we were doing. And we felt the need, especially to start giving back to our region. And it just so happens that there are more women graduating in sciences than there are men. So it's kind of interesting where we had all these women scientists, very few male scientists, but no one had really known what we were doing. So we decided, and Biomar came forward, and they have been our primary sponsor to help us put together this organization, and we became WICA in 2023. So we decided what is our portfolio, what it is that we can give back, and what we can give back as scientists is our training, education, experiences to develop research and innovation, because only through research and innovation can we have the businesses. And this is why I have loved working with Mariana, because Mariana has been helping women who are doing businesses. And as she started to look through the Caribbean, the amount of businesses, women businesses, aqua businesses are very minimal. And why is that? Because we don't have the research or innovation to help the business aspects. So this is what the hub is about. We as women scientists want to be able to develop an education, bring aquaculture into STEM, into the education system, and to educate the culture as well as our leaders why this is important. So we are just not just a women's group, we are women scientists trying to develop the region in aquaculture in the blue economy.